How ambitious are these teenage Chinese females?
10 million.
In their teens, they dared to openly challenge the millions of university students in China. They entered the Muay Thai boxing and fought a male boxer in their first battle. They even made a bold statement that they will continue to fight male boxers, specifically in the future. So how fearless are these princesses? They can fish, slaughter sheep, farm and build houses. They can learn to do whatever they set their minds to. Some may inaccurately think this describes uncivilized rural girls, but actually they are sophisticated, trilingual geniuses. They are skilled in both play and study, plus are socially charming individuals. Just a random outing led to an audience and an award from the city mayor. Who are they? They are the Qingyi princesses. Like everyone else, there's no such thing as an overnight success. Underneath all the success, there's blood and tears. As one in a million princess, the selection process alone is extremely strict. The prerequisite for being selected is not about beauty, nor about excelling academically, nor about outstanding ability, but instead is about possessing the qualities of a princess. What are the qualities of a true Qingyi princess? Their first appearance answered this question. 3 years ago, the teachers and students of Qingyi New Education demonstrated to the world with clear evidence that in 6 months they could make a breakthrough in learning the English language, which had troubled many Chinese people for decades. Plus, it only took them 3 years to complete the 12 years curriculum of American schools. Some people on the internet doubted these facts and wrote unkind comments. In order to defend the honour of their school, Today Academy, a bet of 10 million yen was offered. So the princess students of Qingyi New Education entered the public eye for the first time.
I expect you to summon up the courage and stand up against me to prove my mistakes and illusions.
To this day, no one has tried to claim this 10 million yen bet. Yet these princesses continue to rigorously train themselves, creating personal breakthrough records one after another, demonstrating with their actions what it means to be a Qingyi princess. In 2023, they started competing in Thai boxing. In 2024, winning gold, silver and bronze medals nationwide in Huizhou, China. What further surprises and breakthroughs will these Qingyi princess showcase in the future? Stay tuned.